In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set the default zoom on Safari on an iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off you need to open up Safari and then head over to some page. Now I'm going to show you how you can quickly zoom a web page if you just want to zoom some specific part of this web page once. You can just pinch it in that way. After that, we can zoom it out back to 100% page size, and also we are able in here on any tab we can control page zoom scale. If we tap right here at that icon, that's where we can see that this page is in 100% size, and that's how we can increase text size on that page. We can either reduce it, and that will keep that zoom for the particular page, for the particular tab, until we close it. So if we go to another tab, we can see that it is showing us 100%. However, if we go back to that tab, it is still showing us 150%. But what about default zoom on Safari? We can set default zoom, we can change it from 100% to any other number. To do that, we just need to head over to settings and then scroll down and get into Safari settings. After that, keep scrolling down here, and in here we are searching for page zoom. If we get into it, we'll be able to change it. We can select page zoom for any particular website. In here we can see that the page zoom that we have just changed on that particular website is now showing here, so we'll be able from here change it to some different size, and also we can change default zoom for any other websites. We can set it up to 300%, and also we can reduce it to 50%. In that simple way, just select any number from here, and then if we create new web page, if we head over to some website, we can see that now by default it is showing us 125% of zoom as we selected in here. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.